Hi, Akiff Irwan here from OrangeTee AAG Dallas Hassan branch, and today I'm here at Bukit Panjang, Block 512 Jelapang Road. Let me show you this awesome unit. Let's go. Welcome home. Renovated only 2 years ago, this cozy 100 square meters 4-room flat is perfect for you and your family, just to bring your suitcase and move it immediately. So this is a stylish living room with a big sofa, and you still have ample of space to walk around. Over here you get a lovely open concept kitchen with a beautiful island. This kitchen is so functional that it can fit in a double door fridge, a built-in oven and a dishwasher as well. The kitchen countertop and backsplash is built with sintered stone, so it's perfect for heavy cooking as you can just wipe off any stains immediately. So here's the master bedroom, where it currently fits a king-size bed and you still have ample of space to walk around. The master bedroom toilet has a built-in bathtub for you to relax and unwind after a long day of work. Common room number 1 is so spacious it can easily fit in a big bed and also a wardrobe. Let's take a look at the second common room, which is large and squarish and you can furnish to your own liking. There's just so much to this house that the video just doesn't cut it. Contact me, Akiff Irwan 86134435, and I'll see you at the next video.